He was questioning my client in a medical malpractice deposition, which is pretrial testimony, and he was doing something that absolutely floored me. I couldn't believe he was actually doing this. You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some remarkable information during the course of a pretrial testimony deposition. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, the defense attorney was questioning my client, the injured victim, and now he was doing something remarkable. He wasn't using any notes. He knew every single detail of this particular case. He was having a great conversation with my client. He was talking to her as if he knew every detail about this case, and you know what? He did. He was totally respectful. And if she didn't understand a question, he said, no problem, I'll ask the question a different way. If I objected to a question, he said, no big deal, I'll ask it a different way. And why was this remarkable? Because he was following my playbook. This was a very experienced attorney, somebody who'd been doing this for more than 30 years. And this is exactly what I do when I question a doctor in a medical malpractice trial. And I am always respectful of the doctor, and I'm always deferential, and I know every single detail of the case. So now, even though I have tons and tons of notes, I will rarely look at them or refer to them. Why? Because I want to have a great conversation with the doctor. I want to ask questions. I want to get immediate responses. I want to follow up and listen to what the doctor is saying. And that's exactly what this defense attorney was doing with my client. He was having a great conversation, and I knew immediately what he was doing. Why? Because it's exactly what I do when I question witnesses. And it was actually pretty cool. And he gained total respect from me because he knew exactly what he was doing, and he wasn't there just to ask every question under the sun. And you should know that in many of these cases, the defense law firms send in these young associates with typed pages, 25, 30 pages, and they make them ask every single question. The problem is that they're not trial attorneys. They don't truly understand what questions they should be asking and what questions they shouldn't be asking. But this particular attorney knew exactly what he was doing, and I give him great credit. So why do I share this great story with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what went on in one particular deposition in the state of New York in a medical malpractice case. You know, in all likelihood, you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.